Hey guys, in this video we are going to review Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM. Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM is a comprehensive AI-powered customer relationship management solution designed. It used to help businesses enhance customer interactions, streamline operations, and make data-driven decisions. By integrating agentic applications across sales, service, finance, supply chain operations, Dynamics 365 enables organizations to modernize their CRM systems. It also helps businesses deliver personalized experiences at scale. Its solutions cater to businesses of all sizes, from small and mid-sized enterprises to large organizations, providing tools to improve collaboration, efficiency, and customer engagement. Let's talk about its pricing. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central offers flexible pricing options to suit different business needs. A free 30-day trial is available for users who want to explore the platform's features. The Essentials plan costs $70 per user per month and includes finance, sales, and operations management with Microsoft Copilot. The Premium plan is priced at $100 per user per month and adds service management and manufacturing capabilities. For limited access, the Team Members plan costs $8 per user per month and allows users to approve workflows and update select information, with pricing varying based on the chosen modules and level of access. Now we will talk about its pros. Dynamics 365 CRM offers AI-powered features that enhance sales service and customer engagement. Its unified data management across CRM and ERP functions improves operational efficiency. Businesses can deliver personalized experiences at scale using Microsoft Copilot. The platform also streamlines collaboration and allows secure data sharing across teams. Additionally, it provides flexible pricing plans to accommodate small and mid-sized businesses. Next, we will talk about its cons. However, the platform can be expensive for larger teams if multiple premium modules are needed. Its complexity may require dedicated training or support to fully optimize its features. Some advanced AI and automation capabilities may remain underutilized without proper configuration and planning. Overall, Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM is an AI-powered platform that streamlines operations, enhances customer engagement, and supports data-driven business growth. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.